Hello, so today I'm going to be showing you guys a little hack on how to organize and make more space with your board games. These are a 22 pack of plastic mesh zipper pouches. They're 10 by 14s and I got them on Amazon. Before you start cutting all your boxes and stuff or throwing them away, make sure that the game actually fits inside the zipper pouch before you start throwing things away. It does make a huge difference. It's way less bulkier than the boxes, and all I did for like extra was cutting out the name and putting it with tape outside of the zipper pouch, but you can also put it inside, whatever works for you. I just thought it was better like that. Oh, and I randomly found a baby Jesus in one of the board games, so that was fun. Anyways, yeah, I did this for all the games that I could. This one was the only one that didn't close, but I ended up leaving it like that because it's way less bulkier than the box. And I did this with a bunch of other board games. I'm gonna be showing you guys the difference that it made. And like, I have a huge pile of boxes right next to all the zipper pouches that are already ready with the board games inside, so you guys can see the difference. So this is the humongous stack of boxes compared to all those, the zipper bags that already have the games inside it. I ended up having extra of the zipper pouches. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of the stuff we're going to be working on. Thank you. Bye.